5 Scrum books every Agile enthusiast must read in 2024. If you are an Agile enthusiast looking to expand your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve in 2024, here are 5 Scrum books that you must add to your reading list. Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time by Jeff Sutherland. Jeff Sutherland, the co-creator of Scrum, provides a compelling argument for why the Scrum framework is so effective in increasing productivity and delivering high-quality results. This book delves into the origins of Scrum, its core principles, and practical techniques for applying it in various projects. The Scrum Field Guide, Practical Advice for Your First Year by Mitch Lacey. For those just starting their Agile journey or looking to enhance their Scrum skills, the Scrum Field Guide by Mitch Lacey offers practical advice and real-world examples to help you navigate the complexities of Agile project management. Scrum Mastery, From Good to Great Servant Leadership by Jeff Watts. Jeff Watts, an experienced Agile coach and trainer, shares his insights on the role of a Scrum Master and how to effectively lead and support Scrum teams. This book explores the key qualities of a great servant leader, techniques for facilitating team collaboration, and strategies for overcoming common obstacles in Agile projects. Essential Scrum, A Practical Guide to the Most Popular Agile Process by Kenneth S. Rubin. In Essential Scrum, Kenneth S. Rubin provides a comprehensive guide to understanding and implementing the Scrum framework in various organizational settings. This book covers the fundamentals of Scrum, Agile practices, and techniques for maximizing the benefits of Agile project management. Scrum, The Complete Guide to Agile Project Management by James Edge. James Edge's Scrum, The Complete Guide to Agile Project Management is a comprehensive resource for anyone looking to master the principles and practices of Agile project management. From setting up Agile teams to implementing Agile tools and techniques, this book covers everything you need to know to succeed in Agile projects. Conclusion. In conclusion, staying informed and continuously improving your Agile skills is crucial for success in today's fast-paced business environment. By reading the right Scrum books, you can gain valuable insights, tips, and techniques to enhance your understanding of Agile principles and practices.